my channel. So today is such a beautiful day. The morning was pretty cool and it was a little cloudy, but the sun is out and there's some breeze and it doesn't feel like hot. I mean, if you're sitting in the sun, yes, but if you're in partly shade and you're feeling the breeze, then it's nice. Maxie! So I am excited. I am so excited. Hold on, let me show you what we got too. I'm excited. Look what we got. Look what we got. Ooh, it's gonna be so pretty. Look, and we got the one that had dry grass, and we saw videos on YouTube on how this looks, and it looks beautiful. So I can't wait to put that down. The girls can't wait either. I don't know why they're excited, but they're excited. But I was thinking, I'm like, let me go outside, and I'm like, man, I really want to pot something, and I decided to pull these other ones that I had and check on them, and long and behold, they have roots. Do you see the itty bitty roots? I'm so excited. So I can pot this up. And these I've had. This one I got for my birthday, and this I got the week of my birthday. I've had it there, and this pot I picked up on OfferUp. It's old and beat up, but I like it. I like the way it looks. So yeah, and let me mention a few things. So I got this big container so I can mix my soil in there. Very good. This is from the Dollar Tree, and also this big scoop is from the Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure it's for like dog food or cereal, I'm not sure, or for rice. It was in the utensil section at the Dollar Tree. And for those of you that are new and don't know, I use the Miracle Cactus soil because that's what I have here. I've never seen anything else. And then I use Turfus. Turfus is used in the softball fields to help it when it rains, I guess, to dry quicker or whatever. So I've been using that. I've read many people that have cactuses use it. Even the guy, when I went to purchase, he says, oh, lately a lot of people have been purchasing, like people with nurseries have been buying this. So that's what I'm using so far. I haven't had an issue. For now, I would say it's fine. It's perfectly good. If you can't get pumice and you can get this, and that's great. But I mean, perlite also works. So also, many of you, when I've told you that I put styrofoam inside my pots so that there's not a lot of soil there that needs to dry out when you're making big pots, as long as your plant doesn't require like a deep-rooted, you know, deep roots, then you should be fine doing this. Some of you guys recommended putting plastic containers in there, so that's what I did. This is strawberry holders, plastic strawberry holders, and a few bottles, so my drainage is not covered and it's gonna flow in perfectly, the water through this. And that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna start putting this together, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and because this is gonna be a big pot, and I'm probably definitely never gonna be able to move this thing because I don't want to hurt my back or my husband to hurt his back, I'm probably gonna put lots of Turfus just to help with the drainage. You know what I mean? This is gonna help too, but I'm gonna make sure that I put lots of Turfus in here. This has already been mixed. Yep, I'm gonna have to ask him to move it later. I feel bad. I mean, he can use the dolly, but I don't want him to mess up my little trees. I'm gonna call them trees. When I say trees, I'm referring to my fire stick because they do remind me of little trees. And that's why I like them. I picked them out long like that and tall on purpose because they look like little trees to me. Cute fire trees they're gonna look, hopefully. I want them to get red. So yeah, that involves stressing them out. I will do that, but I won't try to do that right now because the roots, you know, I mean, I don't know if it's bad or not, but in my opinion, you know, the roots are just coming in, so I need to, you know, treat her gently. Okay, what I'll do is I'll put more turfus after I pour, because it's really hard to mix it sometimes. I need to get more. I am out, completely out of turfus. That is all of it. It's a big pot. Okay, so I was thinking, how am I gonna do it? Still need more soil. Oh, you know what? Let me go get the pot that those plants are in, because they have turfus as well. Since I ran out. You see that had lots of turfus. This one got wet. I was thinking too, not so long ago, where did I get fire sticks from? I got fire sticks from somebody. Yeah, a while back ago, I had gotten fire sticks, and I just stuck them inside my palm tree pots, and I ignored them, and they rooted just fine. So I would say, after thinking about that, you know, and rooting these, they're pretty easy to root. I want to clean them up though, because they have a little bit of, I want to put them together, these two, because I want them to look like one big piece. So I'm trying to intertwine them here, and I'm all up in the camera. Hold on, I can't change that because these are pretty tall. Okay guys, I have to figure this out, because this thing, you know what, you guys already know pretty much what I'm gonna do now, so I'll just come back when I'm done and I'll show you guys what I am in love with it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at that. And I got this yesterday at Hobby Lobby. It was $29, but they had 40% off on I think their stuff that said like spring. And I love this so much. I walked away. I looked at other ones, because they had other ones that were $19 and $18, but I just couldn't get over the color and the hummingbirds. So I just really liked it, and I just kept going back and forth to it. So I finally just bit the bullet and bought it, and it cost me, I think, $15 or 16 because it was 40% off. And guys, look, it just, I think it complements that, the white, you know. It's so cute, guys. Oh, look, and I just put him here. He's just hanging out. And that's what I would like to do here in the back, where my greenhouse is going to be. The trampoline is going to be there, so I don't know how much space I'm going to have to work with, because we are getting a new trampoline for the kids, because, you know, I don't want to take their space away. But yes, so the trampoline will be there. But anyways, I would like to have the theme is like a woodland theme. Like, I love gnomes, and I love cute little animals like this. And I guess, you know, my kids too, you know, it like brings out the kid in me, and it lets them enjoy and have an imagination, which they do. They love pretending and stuff like that. So here it is, guys. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I try to remove the white stuff. So the white stuff is the milky substance that the plant has itself. When it breaks or it gets, you know, like hurt, it leaks out a white substance, and that's what it has on there. But when it gets a rain a few times, that will wash away most likely. Anyways, guys, I hope you love this as much as I do. I just can't wait to have it all done. And this is what I like doing. I like potting up things like this, and I'm just excited for it. Thank you guys so much for all your support. See, this motivates me. I like this. This is what I like. So thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I appreciate you guys. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.